once you have done making the presentation slide, you can actually start presenting it. So to present it, you can simply go to present right here, and you can see that there are various options. Preview is just for you to see how the presentation looks on your computer. And there are other presentation tools like Live Prezi. For example, if you have a Prezi Plus account, you can use this to share a link with another computer, and you can use your home computer to maybe present in an office remotely through your internet connection. You can also go to Presenters View. Again, if you have a Prezi Plus account, you can see notes over there as well. But over here, this is the most common one, and that's how you start your presentation. And once you click Start Presentation, you can actually see that now you're in the presentation window. So now, in order to start presenting and to move forward, you can press the space bar, and then it'll go over here, just like this. You can also use the arrow keys to go back and forth. So for example, I'm using the left arrow key right here. I'm using the right one over here to go forward, just like this, and left one over here to go back, just like that. I can also do a non-linear presentation. Let's say I want to dive in straight onto this slide right here. You can just hover your mouse and then click here, and it'll zoom in into the slide. I can also use the mouse scroll button to actually zoom it in to a portion just like this, and zoom out just like that. I can also maybe have some information over here. I'm using my mouse scroll zoom button right here, and you can see that you can zoom in to an area of your presentation window just like that. So that is how you can work with presentation over here. And over here at the bottom, you can see a slider as well. So right now you can see that there are about 7 slides, that is 7 topics. So you can move back over here just like this, or move further away just like this, and you can see that other slide is actually shown just like this. You move down at the bottom here, you also see that there are arrows over here for left and right, and then you can present it like this as well. And once you're done with the presentation, in order to close it, you can press this close window right here, and it goes back to editing right there. So that is how you can use the presenter mode inside of Prezi. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.